I want to travel to these two places.
The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket.
Yeah, yay! Yoo-hoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please open the window shade. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the start, push the throttle, slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. We're in Japan now. This is the perfect place for a hot spring bath. Take a shower before hopping into the hot spring. Apply soap to get rid of all the bacteria. It's time to rinse. Quickly dry the body with a towel and don't get a cold. Put them into the water. Make sure to separate the girls and boys. Throw in some hot spring goodies to make our soak even more comfortable. This herb is good for our body. Wow, it's a fragrant milk. Wow, these petals have turned the spring water pink. Wow, it's a fragrant milk spring. This herb is good for our body. Wow, these petals. Wow, this herb is good for our body. The water is a bit cold. Let's raise the temperature. Thank you. The water feels so nice.
Passengers, the meals.
I'm done eating. I like the food. Wow, it's Indonesia! I want to try sea fishing! There are so many fish here! Let's start fishing! The fish fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish is on the hook. Tap to reel. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. There are fish around here. Go toss the bait in. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Wow, that's a huge fish. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. Wow, you got a key. Wow, what a cute decoration.